Extract machinable features in SOLIDWORKS CAM identifies features based on the geometry of the part. There are some features it won't find, like sketches or surfaces, and it may create features differently than we want to machine it. In this case, it found a perimeter feature, which includes the slot, and this is what a finish operation would look like. What if we didn't want to machine it like that? For example, I would rather cut around the rectangular perimeter in one operation and then cut the slot in another operation. We can accomplish that by creating sketches and manually defining the features. I created a sketch around the outside of the part and renamed it perimeter. I created another sketch and called it slot. We manually create features from the SOLIDWORKS CAM feature tree. Right-click on the setup, 2.5 axis feature. I'll create a boss feature to cut around the perimeter. Select the sketch from the list. End condition, in this case, bottom of the part. I'll do a finish operation. Next, I'll create the slot feature. Again, select the sketch from the list. Set the end condition. In this case, I'll do a rough and finish operation. Need to edit the feature profiles and define that first segment as an air segment, so the cutter can move back and forth across that line. You can generate operations and toolpaths for those two features. I've already done that and modified a couple of the operation parameters, like the depth of cut, and this is what the simulation looks like. Cut around the perimeter, rough the slot, and finish the slot. Having the ability to create sketches and manually define features gives us great control over how we machine a part. Thank you.